Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, says he keeps buying gold, silver, and Bitcoin because he believes they will provide lifelong financial security and freedom. He also believes that our leaders want more war and poverty, and that these assets will protect him from the effects of those policies. Kiyosaki has made several bullish predictions about the price of Bitcoin, ranging from $135,000 to $1 million. So in this video, we are going to discuss about Robert Kiyosaki reveals why he keeps buying Bitcoin. The video is going to be amazing. Make sure to stick till the end. Now before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Robert Kiyosaki shares why he keeps investing in Bitcoin. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of the popular book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, has been a vocal proponent of Bitcoin for years. In a recent interview, he shared why he continues to invest in the cryptocurrency. According to the Rich Dad, Poor Dad author, his motivation for buying Bitcoin and precious metals is his lack of trust in the Federal Reserve, the U.S. Treasury Department, and President Joe Biden. Bitcoin up over 100% in a year. Will Bitcoin keep going up? I'm betting on it. I am buying more gold and silver. Why buy more gold, silver, Bitcoin? Because Federal Reserve, U.S. Treasury, and Biden are liars. Bitcoin is trading at $29,202 at time of writing. Kiyosaki, who has previously revealed that he first bought Bitcoin at $6,000, earlier this year set a six-figure price target for the flagship crypto asset. Bitcoin will hit $500,000 by 2025, largely driven by the Federal Reserve loosening monetary policy and embarking on a money-printing spree. Kiyosaki said that he believes Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation. He pointed to the fact that the Federal Reserve has been printing money at an unprecedented rate, which is devaluing the dollar. He believes that Bitcoin will hold its value better than the dollar in the long run. Kiyosaki also said that he believes Bitcoin is a store of value. He pointed to the fact that Bitcoin is limited in supply, unlike fiat currency, which can be printed at will. He believes that this makes Bitcoin a valuable asset that will hold its value over time. Kiyosaki said that he believes Bitcoin is a disruptive technology. He pointed to the fact that Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer payment system that does not require banks or governments. He believes that this makes Bitcoin a threat to the status quo, and that this is why it is being attacked by powerful interests. Kiyosaki concluded by saying that he believes Bitcoin is the future of money. He said that he is bullish on Bitcoin and that he plans to continue investing in it. Bitcoin is a volatile asset, and there is no guarantee that it will continue to appreciate in value. Investors should carefully consider the risks involved before investing in Bitcoin. He has disclosed the reason behind his ongoing investments in gold, silver, and Bitcoin. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a 1997 book co-authored by Kiyosaki and Sharon Lechter. It has been on the New York Times bestseller list for over 6 years. More than 32 million copies of the book have been sold in over 51 languages across more than 109 countries. Kiyosaki shared on social media platform X Thursday that his consistent purchases of gold, silver, and Bitcoin are driven by the belief that U.S. leaders want more war and poverty. He went on to advise people to preserve wealth in the three asset classes. Kiyosaki has been recommending gold, silver, and Bitcoin for quite some time. Earlier this month, he broke down Rich Dad's lesson number 1, stating that the three asset classes provide lifelong financial security and freedom. He also believes that they are the best investments for unstable times. Has revealed why he keeps buying gold, silver, and Bitcoin. Our leaders want more war and poverty, he stressed, noting that the three investment types provide lifelong financial security and freedom. The famous author suggests allocating 75% of investment portfolios to gold, silver, and Bitcoin, with the remaining 25% invested in real estate and oil stocks. This mix may allow you to survive the greatest crash in world history, he said. He also recommends using dollar cost averaging, noting that he is not trying to pick stocks like Warren Buffett. Kiyosaki has made a number of bullish predictions about the price of BTC, ranging from $135,000 in the near term to $1 million in the event of a global economic crisis. He has also predicted that gold could reach $75,000 and silver could reach $60,000 in the same scenario. In February, he projected that the price of Bitcoin would reach $500,000 by 2025, while gold could rise to $5,000 and silver could reach $500 within the same time frame. The renowned investor recently urged investors to buy Bitcoin immediately, anticipating a rush to buy BTC as stock, bond, and real estate markets crash. He also expressed his belief in the future of cryptocurrency, calling fiat money toast and describing it as fake money. In addition to issuing multiple warnings about the greatest crash in real estate, stocks, and bonds, he also cautioned that the Federal Reserve raising interest rates would crash the US dollar. Robert Kiyosaki gives reasons for his decision. Robert Kiyosaki's investment philosophy is rooted in the belief that US leaders are inclined towards more war and poverty. To navigate what he perceives as increasingly unstable times, Kiyosaki recommends allocating 75% of investment portfolios to gold, silver, and Bitcoin. He contends that these assets provide not only lifelong financial security, but also freedom. The remaining 25% of the portfolio, according to Robert Kiyosaki, should be diversified into real estate and oil stocks. Robert Kiyosaki advocates for a measured investment approach, suggesting the use of dollar-cost averaging over attempting to pick stocks, akin to the strategies employed by legendary investor Warren Buffett. The author believes this investment mix could serve as a safeguard, enabling investors to weather what he predicts as potentially the greatest crash in world history. While Robert Kiyosaki has been a proponent of these asset classes for some time, he has recently intensified his bullish predictions. Crafting a diverse and robust portfolio in unpredictable times. In the case of Bitcoin, his forecasts range from a near-term target of $135,000 to a staggering $1 million in the event of a global economic crisis. In a similar scenario, Kiyosaki envisions gold reaching $75,000 and silver hitting $60,000. Earlier predictions in February included a projection of Bitcoin reaching $500,000 by 2025, with gold and silver potentially rising to $5,000 and $500, respectively, within the same time frame. Robert Kiyosaki's sense of urgency in promoting Bitcoin investment comes amid his warnings of an impending crash in traditional markets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. He anticipates a rush towards Bitcoin as investors seek refuge in the cryptocurrency amidst these market uncertainties. In expressing his confidence in the future of cryptocurrency, Kiyosaki dismisses fiat money as toast and labels it as fake money. Beyond his warnings about the state of traditional markets, Kiyosaki has raised concerns about the potential repercussions of the Federal Reserve raising interest rates. He suggests that such a move could precipitate a crash in the US dollar, adding another layer of complexity to the economic landscape. Robert Kiyosaki's investment strategy, centered around gold, silver, and Bitcoin, reflects his apprehension towards the geopolitical and economic climate. As an influential financial figure, his insights and predictions have garnered attention from investors seeking to navigate an uncertain financial future. Whether these asset classes will indeed provide the promised lifelong financial security and freedom remains to be seen, but Kiyosaki's guidance serves as a thought-provoking perspective in the ever-evolving world of investments. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.